Hello and welcome to the short presentation of Lenovo IdeaPad 3 17-inch laptop. This laptop is based on Intel Core i5 11th Gen CPU. It has Intel Iris graphics inside. Also has 8 gigs of RAM memory and 512 gigs of storage NVMe drive. 11th Gen CPU, i5 1135G7 base frequency, 2.4 GHz, maximum frequency 4.2 GHz with turbo core. 4 cores, 8 logical CPUs. This laptop has a 17-inch screen, which I already mentioned, and this is good for some people that need bigger viewing space when they work on their laptop. The screen is matte, so you can see no glare. It's very sharp, it's crystal clear, the colors are quite good, so I think that they used good quality LCD panel for this laptop. Keyboard is very soft, very easy to type on. I really like it. So for the people that like to work, for example, at evening with dimmed lights, this would be a problem. No backlit keyboard. Touchpad works nice, very responsive and very precise. Let's check the ports on this laptop. So on the left side, we have charging port, USB port, HDMI port, USB-C port, and audio jack. On the right side, we have one USB port and SD card reader port.